Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen. Today we're making bean soup. Yes, you've seen this bean soup mix at the grocery store. It is not expensive. It is dirt cheap, and I'm going to show you how to make a killer recipe. So soak those beans at least one night in cold water in your fridge. Grab a bunch of vegetables. I don't have any carrots. That's fine. I have tomato cans, peeled tomatoes. I have potatoes. I have onions, celery, herbs de Provence. I have garlic. I have a little bit of bacon. I have some parmesan. I'm just using the rind, and I'll show you how I do that in just a sec. So just cut everything small. These beans are small. You want your vegetable to be cut very small. You don't want large chunks of vegetable. Or maybe you do. It's up to you completely. Your choice. I like to dice things nice and small. And then what I'm going to do is drain those beans. And those beans have been soaking in water for 2 nights. Probably unnecessary, but I did that anyway. Rinse them off really well. Once you rinse them, they're good to go. Now, I'm going to cut the rind off the parmesan. So what that does is add a nice little cheesy kind of complex flavor. Now to put this all together, it's very simple. Add a little oil to a pan, render out your bacon. Once it gets nice and crispy, drain some of that fat, and then add your vegetables. So I'm adding my onion and celery first. I'm going to just sweat those, kind of develop the flavor, add a pinch of salt, and then once they get nice and lightly caramelized / translucent, add your garlic, sweat your garlic out for a minute, add your squished tomatoes. You can also add a little bit of white wine if you'd like. I'm just doing the tomatoes, that's plenty of acidity. I'm just kind of pulverizing them with my hand. That's gonna add good umami. I'm also adding just a couple tablespoons of herbs de Provence, and then I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna pop in my Parmesan rind, and then from there, just simmer low and slow. Bring it to a boil, turn it all the way down, cover it, and I let this baby go for like 3 hours. I don't want any crunchy beans. I do not like crunchy beans. I hate crunchy beans. Just cook them until the beans are soft. See, I just picked one up, squished it, totally fine. And for the last step, we add our potatoes. Add your potatoes to last like 30 minutes. If you put them in at the beginning, it's gonna be just pasty and gross. And to make this delicious bowl of soup even more hearty, chop up some old bread. I had some baguette. This baguette was like 3 weeks old. It was rock hard, and all I did was chop it up into large chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect or special or anything like that. And I'm just gonna add my soup right on top of that bread. I'm gonna do all those vegetables and that bacon and those beans, and then I'm gonna top it with broth. And then there you have a very hearty, healthy, delicious, affordable bean soup. I hope you like the recipe. Let me know in the comments below what you would do differently, what your favorite bean soup is. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming in the future, and have a great day.